Once you've configured your contact form, you can add it to your website or blog. To get started, just click the Edit button for your form under the Settings tab. There are two ways to add the form to your website. You can add this hyperlink to your site so that when a client clicks on the link, the form will load. Or you can embed the form on your website using this iframe code. This is a more advanced option and requires either you or your web designer to adjust the HTML code on your website. In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate the first option by creating a hyperlink on a WordPress site, but this method will work on other sites as well. In the WordPress admin panel, navigate to the Menus section under Appearance. Then add a custom link to the navigation bar. Paste the contact form link into this field and call the menu item something like Contact Us. Check this box if you want the link to open up in a new tab. Then save your changes. On my website, whenever the client clicks Contact Us, they will see my contact form. They can fill it out and submit their info. Then they will see my thank you message. And finally, they are redirected to my home page because that's how I configured this particular form. In ShootQ, a new lead is automatically created under the Leads tab using the information submitted by the client on the contact form. You can then begin your lead process and even implement a lead workflow to automate emails, questionnaires, and tasks. As you can see, when the ShootQ form is set up on your website, capturing leads is easy.